As you've maybe noticed, that we still have the i8, but okay, it's a supercar, but it's a hybrid as well, which means we can actually plug it in. Now, let's see what happens. Yay! Obviously everything's unlocked, so you just pull that off and then reveals the charge port. And ta-da! There we go. We are fully plugged in, and that's it. That's how you charge a hybrid car. It's child's play, really. To charge this car will take anything from 1 hour to about 4.5. On a home charger, it's going to be slightly slower. And if we open the boot as well, we've got a charge cable in there which allows us to charge at home. But do you really want to plug it into something, or do you want to charge it the fun way? Just knock it into sport, do some spirited driving, and just watch those miles go up and up and up. And you'll get 23 miles of range with your electric when it's fully charged.